mattress. It's not easy to put inside.
But they hold price 8,000 per month for the room. I asked them why you not decrease the price, because you have many apartments.
Daytime bars open. Some of bar open. Really? Free parking. I want. Why he stop? He asking, do you want girls? I think. Georgi, do you want girl? Internet up have?
I don't know.
We going to Angeles now. He will live in Angeles. How you find this place?
You.
Hi, Georgi.
Hi.
He put his back. Hi everyone. Today match 3 and Georgi moved to new apartment in Angeles City. During when I sick, he 1 month walk and find apartment near Angeles, Mabalacat, in Lacadula, also in near San Fernando. He want apartment from 8 to 20,000 peso. It's depend of quality, of course. And now he go to the new apartment. He said 11,000 peso, not so far from Walking Street. Next video I will show which apartment where. Now we move him to the Angeles City because he 1 month he walk. He said so many apartments are available right now. So many, some of apartments, some of buildings occupied only for maybe 50% or 40%. So many free rooms. Because many people don't want to live long time in Angeles City. You know, it's Angeles. It's for travel only. It's good, but for long time stay, I think better live not far. Little bit far from Walking Street. I think it's my opinion. But if you single, yeah, it's okay. Same like Georgi. He single. He can stay in the near Walking Street, and he go to party if you want. Today good weather. Temperature 35 degree. Afternoon 35, so hot. So guys who want to live in Angeles City, don't worry, it's easy to find apartment. Easy. So many apartments available right now, so many. Unfurnished, furnished, any what you want. Sometimes not need contract. Georgi go to the new apartment, not need contract for 1 year. He just pay deposit only need pay deposit. Not need to pay contract for 1 or 3 months or 4 months. No, just only deposit need and can stay. Of course, how to live in this apartment is next construction. So noisy, he said, so noisy, dust, always dust. And his room, you can see inside, between 2 apartments, 2 buildings. That's why he don't like live here. And he said even night time, noisy, because so many tricycle cars use this road. This is popular road, it's not MacArthur Highway. This is road only for, it's local road. Maybe school nearby, maybe school, that's why so many tricycles. Yes, school children go to this way. I think it's school. Yeah. Georgi already put mattress. Okay. Another side, another.
Я вижу, что.
Mattress, it's not easy to put inside. Because if more, my door cannot close. This is electric door, is faster, open again. It's okay. Really so hot right now. Oh, Georgi take another things. Last already. Not last of course, last for this time. And we will go to apartment and again come back. Need 3 times go to apartment. Need 3 times move, I mean. Up, Georgi.
Так, пойдем, нет?
Like this is okay. Okay, close. Can try. Because this part I am worried, this part. This part. Oh, good. Good, close. Okay, let's go. We drive now to parallel road, not to MacArthur Highway, because traffic in MacArthur Highway, as you can see already, they built bridge to Manila. And this is CTEX road to the Subic. Georgi sit here. Georgi, I want to ask you. You 1 month, about 1 month, you find apartments in Angeles, Mabalacat, Lakandula, everywhere, yes? So many apartments, you say? So many. So easy to find.
Not easy.
For you not easy because you find some for you, but many apartments right now.
Many.
And you said some of houses abandoned, even abandoned, because people not live.
Yes, in Balibago Mountain View, it was building on Mindoro Street, but many available rooms empty and really abandoned. So, but they hold price 8,000 per month for the room. I asked them why you not decrease the price, because you have many apartments, but I don't understand why.
It's
Because nobody want to live in the abandoned building, so it's not good, I think. Better if all occupied, and I think it's better if all occupied.
You already know Sam Clark. Daytime Fields Avenue. Daytime bars open. Some bar open. Soya open. This is restaurant. All building already for rent. Philly's bar. Oh, yeah, always Philly's bar. Full of people. Popular bar. Las Vegas open now. Yes, Las Vegas open. Massage open. It's Ocean Bar open. Oh, Nana also open. Makers maybe open. Open Makers. Tequila Reef. So many cars park here, easy to drive. Oh, pay parking have here. New. Really? Pay parking. I don't know how much. Need ask next time. Short time hotel. Don't have people daytime. Now 3:20. 3:20 p.m. What he want? Why he stop? He asking, do you want girls? I think. Georgi, do you want girl from this place? Already arrived. A3? Simple room, but silent here. Internet have?
I don't know.
CR with hot water have. Кабинет. Simple, but it's okay. Not need deposit, just pay monthly. I think it's okay. If he find another place better, he can move anytime because not need deposit. It's already finished, last already. Move Georgi. So we going to Angeles now. He will live in Angeles. Okay, Georgi already last. Close your apartment. But we return deposit to you.
Yes, maybe Saturday.
Maybe Saturday. But your apartment you paid until April 23?
Yes.
April 23. You don't want already live here because noisy and what problem?
Road and gas from the...
Gas from the trucks.
Yes.
So many traffic, big traffic and many trucks. Okay.
Very difficult.
Okay, let's go. It's already last. His things